Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can draw support and resistance in all the market like cryptocurrency, forex, futures and etc. So let's go to show you this method how you can find a good way to uh, choose or draw the support or resistances area. Okay, we are in Euro USD, Euro USD currency pair, and the time frame is daily. So I suggest you just try to find their support and resistances first in daily time frame, because the daily time frame areas are very important and very good to understand, and also the best way to uh, draw the support or resistances are in daily time frame, and then you can switch to below time frame like H4 or 1 hour, as you can check it later. But the first we are going to check the one day or daily time frame. So let's go to find the rectangle. Okay, so here we have some rejections testing the support, as we can see 1, 2 and 3, and also 4 touches at this area. We can draw that here. So this level or zone is a support. For example, I see some movements before this. For example, here this is checking or testing that area. For example, in uh, time is 27 October up to 9 November of 2017. But now in 2018, the day from 28 to 29 of January, Joan, I'm sorry, Joan from 29 to 28 of Jan, that price is checking and um, shows us some action changing the price from this date of this date. For example, here is one support. It can be 1 year ago or 2 year ago, doesn't matter. Okay guys, so just try to uh, check before that this area. For example, we are here, we are not in the future, just here. All the candlesticks, this is our last candlestick. For example, draw that. So here there is the last candlestick that we have in our chart of day your USD. Okay, so we have to check these in the last for example, in the previous time periods. For example, you can also check the weekly time frame if you can't see anything in daily time frame. So just switch to one level upper. For example, you are in daily and check that in weekly time frame to find the best support and resistance level. So as I said you, here we have support. That's same with what I tell and what I said you in 1 minute ago. Let's check it here. Okay, I drew here vertical line and then switch to daily time frame, and yeah, that's true. That's my exactly what I level choose it daily time. but in the weekly time frame we can find it very good and clear. As you can see, here is good and great K support, that rejection to up, and buyers are here, and this level also buyers have some action from this level. So guys, uh, instead of this we have also another support is here, but this is resistance. But now in here we have support of this level. For example, here is resistance is highs, one high, two high, three, four from past, and now this support changed to this resistance changed to support in the future. For example, this is our support zone, highs are support zone, lows are I'm sorry guys, highs are resistance zones, and lows are support zones. I'm sorry guys. Okay, hope you understand what I am talking about. These highs are resistance zones. Remember, high are resistance and lows are support. So these highs in the future, uh, resistance in the future changed to support. For example, here a breakout appears and price go down, go up, and come back to down, test this level. I said you, for example, here we have resistance, and in the future resistance turns to or change to support, checking that level, and here we hope to buy, or some buyers are here. For example, we have that K area, this here is in weekly time frame. So guys, let's switch to daily. It's my main time frame. We can also find little zones. For example, here, 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 and here. These are a level. Okay, we can't say that's just an exact price. For example, 1.1305. It's not true because we have some levels or zones. These are area. So this all of this area has one resistance. So I draw that level. So yeah, that's okay. That's where price 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 touches this level, and all of these levels are touching action from this price, from this level. So for example, here is good way or good price to sell. Here is also good level to sell. Here it is a fake breakout. So as you can see, we have also head and shoulder pattern, so that we can avoid of the fake breakouts. So I will teach you how this uh, classic pattern like head and shoulders works, and how you can exactly trade up to 90% win rate just from uh, head and shoulder pattern. That's a great pattern I only use in my trades. I only use the night rays for just identifying head and shoulder patterns. But before that, we have to know a lot of things because yeah, you in the are learning support and resistance in this video. So I just focus in teaching you how the support and resistance works and how you can draw that in your chart, in every chart you have. It doesn't matter just you are USD, you can go to cryptocurrency. Yeah, let's change it to cryptocurrency. I can tell you also in Bitcoin, some other cryptocurrencies, you can use this method. So here we have support zone, and yeah, price is tested this year in the future. 1 2 touches, and the future here touches and go up. That's why I believe every chart and every cryptocurrency and every market can follow this method of resistance support. So yeah, also we have a resistance here, but here's a little tiny rejection, but that action tells us that resistance is useful in the future. So yeah, you can see that our next resistance is touched and turns down, break down to change the direction, for example the trend, and also again in the future this price is checking or retesting or support zone that we had in the previous days, for example in 11 May to 18th May of 2019. So in the future that level or zone is useful for buyers. For example here, that is a good way to or good level to draw that line, that zones, because we have two support and resistance, this support, this resistance, and these resistance and support can turn to future support. I hope you understand, because the trend is up and this is going to up and breaking up, but then these support and resistances tend to support in the future. It depends on the trend. If the trend is up, yeah, then this resistance turn to support in the future. But if the price of trend is bearish, then the price is bearish, and also we have some resistances or supports in the bearish market. This support tend to resistance in the future. Okay, so I can show you some example here. A lot of range market here, a lot of volatility. So this is our highest now, highest level. As you can see in the future, a couple of days, for example near of 1 month, because that's a daily time frame, this resistance level is useful and actionable in the future. As you can see here is bearish candlestick testing that level, and the trend is changing from up to down. That's why I love to just draw the support and resistance as the first time and then go to check the other methods. other things, for example Fibonacci, trend lines, for example chart patterns. All of these are after I identify support and resistances. That's why it's really important to understand it first. So guys, hope you enjoy my video, and I hope I could be able to transfer my knowledge to you and you learn something from me. I love to hear from you. If you think that is important, that is useful for you, just share my video to your friends. And also, if you like it, I would love to listen from you, and also for comment below your thoughts. What do you think from this video, from these methods, support and resistance? How you uh, do that? Just comment below. Also, uh, subscribe my channel. I love to hear from you in the comments. Thanks a lot. Have a good day or night. Goodbye.